Here at Around the World Catering Service, we like to add a little spice to our life.
What kind of spice are you talking about, Chris?
Well, that depends. Are you talking about meats or vegetables?
Good point. Let's start with the meats.
Well, when you're dealing with beef, for example, you're looking at things like bay leaves, marjoram, nutmeg, onion, pepper, sage, and thyme.
Thyme? It's only 3 o'clock.
No, Santi, thyme. While flavorful, does not overpower and blends well with other herbs and spices.
Of course, I need that. What about pork?
For pork, you're probably going to want garlic, onion, sage, pepper, and oregano.
Oregano is part of the mint family. It combines well with all spicy foods.
Which would go great to use if you're going to make some spicy chicken. Speaking of chicken, some herbs and spices you might use for that are ginger, marjoram, paprika, poultry seasoning, rosemary, sage, tarragon, thyme, and oregano. Like we just mentioned. Do you know any good seasonings for fish, Santi?
Well, curry powder, dill, dry mustard, marjoram, pepper, paprika, are other good ways to start.
Sounds good to me.